G'day! In today's video, something a little bit different. I've got a Galaxy A54 here that's been run over. It has the model number A56 or A546, but also I could use the display for an A346 as well. But right now I've got it very jankily connected up to a Galaxy A35. I'm using a different flex cable. So an A55.6 and an A35.6 I'm assuming would have the same screen. Right now I can't connect the charger up to it as it's a different connector and I don't have the charger for it. So right now this is a last ditched effort to revive this phone that's been run over by a lawnmower to dump the data onto a brand new phone. Because of parts availability, I have no new working A54 screens to be able to connect it directly to. So what I've done is I have tested out the pin configuration on here, and I've found that using resistance on my multimeter, these two pins here and here are power. So that corresponds with the two pins on the board here. So I was able to jump these two pins together, hook up the screen, hook up power, and right now, if I don't turn it around, nope, we're off. Or we're still starting, the board was still fairly hot from waking it up. I have been able to get it to display. So I have been using an A35 screen to recover data for an A54, but I have also used that to recover data on a, if I cover up the phone number, no, I've lost that one. I think an A55 I've used it to recover. So, if you've got these kind of cables, you might have a bit of luck to be able to do data recovery. You wouldn't be able to permanently use it, but if you just want to fire it up to get the information off there like I'm doing, I'm using an A35 screen that's got an A55.6 flex cable with an A54 main board. It won't sit in there properly, you can't use the power buttons, you've got to manually jump it, but hope that information helps someone out there that was stuck like me. Bye. Bugger, so I've just hit one roadblock with that. Is that this particular one, it will display, but it won't interact. So right now I've had no luck getting the touch to function on here. So with the touch not functioning, if you do have the USB cable to be able to connect it up, or the USB port, you'll be able to connect up a OTG to Type C, or Type C to OTG, which will enable you to plug in a mouse, and from there you'll be able to interact with the phone. So right now my current configuration, my plan has failed. So you get that some days you have a win, some days you have a loss, but it is able to display using this different screen, but I can't interact with it, so the touch side of things must be slightly different. But if I did still had the charger, I could loosely charging port, I could connect that up as well, and in theory plug in an OTG cable, which looks like, if I grab them out of my collection of cords, looks like one of these. So you'd be able to plug that into the bottom and then plug a USB mouse into here and in theory be able to access your data. So yeah, hopefully you may have a bit more success than me. Right now I'm just waiting for another A54 screen to arrive, and then from there I will be able to use the correct screen, get touch, then be able to do a data recovery. But I hope that helps someone out there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.